In front of me is Motorola Moto G85, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. All you need to do is hold your device's display and apply one of those themes by tapping on the best one. Then click on any area of your screen that's not this pop-up. As you can see, theme of my Motorola has changed. If you wish to manage your theme a little bit, you can always hold your device's screen again and select Personalize at the bottom. Then manage all of those options separately. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!